Hi, this is an enhanced review of this nebulizer. This is a puppy cool compressor, a nebulizer for children and adults. It's easy and convenient because just plug it into the wall and have just one button for operation, turn on, turn off. The piston powered is fast and effective time, also features a stable non-slip base to help you easily. The compressor pressures range of 45 psi and accessory kits are reusable, but it's really great. So you just wear a hose with your mask. It's a little weight, and the noise it emits when it is on, it's a bit uncomfortable, but otherwise it is perfect for those days when you have congestion and coughing is compulsive. So for those days when you have this flu or cold, this is so great.